If you like making electronic and programming projects using just the Arduino board, to take your projects to the next level, you're gonna wanna need to use the ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. The ESP8266 Wi-Fi module is a self-contained SoC with integrated TCP/IP protocol stack that can give any microcontroller the access to your Wi-Fi network. Now we have different versions of ESP8266, and among those you can see this little guy right here, which is the ESP8266. This is mainly used on the Arduino board to connect them to the Wi-Fi network, or maybe to make the Arduino provide its own server or make its own server. We also have the famous one, which is the Node MCU. And the ESP8266, you can see that it's embedded here. It's embedded right here. We also have the little one, which is Wemos D1 Mini. I like it a lot because it is tiny and yet powerful. You can see that the ESP8266 feature is right here, which means this one can connect itself to a Wi-Fi or maybe provide its own, make its server. This is the last but not least, which is the Wemos D1R1, which is more exactly like the Arduino Uno, but which includes this feature, which has embedded this feature of ESP8266. So to kind of, program these boards, you need to install them into your Arduino IDE. The way we do that, you need to go to your browser. I will leave a link in the description, which is this one. Go ahead and copy it, go back to your Arduino IDE, go to Files, Preference, then down here on Additional Board Manager URL, you need to paste the very link, then click OK. Now you're going to want to go to Tools, scroll down to Boards, then choose Board Manager. Wait for this little stuff to get installed, then click here in the search bar and add ESP8266. Then you're gonna have this. I have it already installed in my system, so if you don't have it yet, you're gonna click on install and wait. Now to check that this very ESP8266 has been installed, you need to go back to boards, then see if you have something that looks like this. I can see the Wemos D1R1, I can see the Node MCU, and I can also see the Wemos D1R1 and its Mini. Then I think now that we have installed the ESP8266, in the next video we're going to try to make a server or create a server on these ESP8266 and try to connect them to a Wi-Fi and see how it works. Until next time guys, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos like these, and peace.